Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my makeup room. So in today's video I'm gonna do a one brand makeup tutorial for the first time ever, and the product that I'm gonna use are from ORIFLAME. So I'm gonna create this particular makeup look using all of the ORIFLAME products, and also while going through the products I am gonna give you some short descriptions, short review of each product. So yes, if you are interested in, then please kindly keep on watching. But before diving in, if you are seeing this for the very first time, then hello, I am Ankita. I make videos over beauty and style and also review some products now and then. So yes, if you are interested in, then please kindly take a second to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell button just beside the subscribe button to get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, now finally let's get started. Now first thing first, we need a primer. So for that I have the ONE Pore Minimizing Primer. You guys have seen me using this multiple times. And again I have another thing, is the ONE Peach Perfector. So it has a little bit of tint and also a lot of shimmer particles in there, so I suppose that it can work as a liquid illuminator. But first I just want to go with this one. Now the primer is a silicone based primer. It does a decent job in minimizing your pores, but if you have very large pores, it's not gonna do much. And after that I'm gonna go with this one, and it's the first time I'm gonna try this, so yeah, hope for the best. It has a pretty weird kind of smell. It's a complete disaster. OMG. Anyway, I want to go with the foundation now. But before going with the foundation, I just want to apply an orange corrector. It's just a lipstick on my under eyes and around my mouth a little, and the reason I'm gonna tell you later. Now let's talk about the foundation. So for foundation I'm gonna use this one. It's the Giordani Gold Mineral Long Wear Foundation, and it's in the shade Natural Beige. So it comes with this sleek transparent glass bottle with the sleek and sexy black cap, and here's gold leveling going on. The packaging feels very luxurious and looks very luxurious, and it's also hell expensive. And the foundation is supremely good quality. It doesn't cover much. It's more of sheer to medium coverage. It feels like skin. It blends into the skin like a dream. It's not extremely long lasting. Yeah, it's gonna last for 5 to 6 hours, but not more than that. And I have combined skin, but if you have dry skin it can last more to you, but that's not the problem, honey. It's the darkest shade, and I don't even fall into the dark deep category. Okay, I am wittish, and that's the only disappointing thing about this foundation. Now I don't have any concealer from ORIFLAME, and I don't want to have a concealer from ORIFLAME, so I'm just gonna pick up a little with the help of a sponge. I'm just gonna dab it under my eyes. And that's why I've applied the orange corrector before, so that it just cancel out any sort of darkness. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much covered now. Now it's time to set the whole face. Now I don't really think that ORIFLAME have a loose powder, but yes, they have multiple types of compact powder, and I'm gonna use Colourbox face powder today. It's in the shade Natural, and I've talked about this powder a lot of times before in my channel. I don't like the powder. First of all, the powder is not finely pressed, and the dust of the powder is a little bigger than what I prefer. It sits on top of the skin very badly, I don't know, and it enhances my skin texture. I hate this powder, but that's what I have for now. So yes, I'm just gonna take a little bit with the help of a fluffy brush and just slightly gonna tap the powder. Now it's time to fill my eyebrows, and for that I'm gonna use the Brow Duo pencil by the ORIFLAME. And I don't like this product. It's not like I hate this product, it's just that I don't like this product. First of all, it's in a pencil form and it's huge, like it's thick. You really need to sharpen it up every freaking time you are gonna use it. Second of all, the pencil is a little bit more creamier than what I prefer, and it's also a little bit more pigmented than a usual eyebrow pencil. So you know what happens when you use a very pigmented pencil? You have to be very light-handed while you are filling your brows, and I think it's not supremely beginner friendly. You really need to be pro to use this pencil, because one mistake and boom, you are done. Your eyebrow is gonna look like Kudur Singh, just like Ravana. And I'm never gonna recommend you this product anyway. So I'm gonna fill my brows with this very roughly, not very precisely, you know. So I'm gonna take a spoolie and I'm just gonna buff this product out in my brows. Now to set the brows, I'm gonna use this product. It's their Browcara. It's the ONE Browcara by the ORIFLAME. Now it's a product that I love. Like, it's so easy and quick to set your brows with this product. It's very convenient. I'm just using this product just to show you this product, because this product is such a great product that you should try. Yeah, if you want to try just one product from this whole video, try this one. So I'm just gonna lightly brush through my hair, and yes, it's gonna does the job. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this one. It's the ONE Blend Palette eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Natural. It contains 8 shades of total and comes with this mini sponge tip applicator, which is a little bit of useful. Now let's talk about the palette. It contains just 2 matte shades. One is this very white, you know, brow bone sort of a color, and one is this deep dark chocolatey brown color. Now the pigmentation of this palette is good, the quality of this palette is good, but it costs 799 rupees. Like, what? I just can't believe that this palette costs 799 rupees, and trust me, it is completely worthless. Like, I will never ever suggest you to go with this palette. And it sucks when you just get one dark brown that you just can't even apply for your crease shade. This shade can be applied, you know, to the outer corner of your eyes to darken it up a bit, and that's why it's a big no-no for me. But anyway, for today's video, I'm gonna use this palette. I'm in the mood of green today. I also want to use the plum shade. What can I do? Let's create whatever I have in my mind. So first, I'm just gonna pick up this dark green shade and I'm gonna apply it on my lid space. See, I've told you this palette is pigmented. After that, with a small dense blending brush like this, I'm gonna pick up this plum shade because I'm feeling plum today. I'm gonna put it to my outer corner. I am using this sponge tip applicator because I think sponge tip applicator gives more, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It gives more pigmentation. I'm just gonna use a fluffy blending brush with no product whatsoever. Just gonna buff this color to my crease. Next, I'm just gonna use this bone shade to my brow bone. It's a perfect shade anyway. And next, for my inner corner, I'm gonna go with this shade. Now for my lower lash line, first I'm just gonna put a kajal. So it's the ONE Kohl Eye Pencil. It's very smudgeable. It's not smudge proof, so don't expect it to be smudge proof. So I'm just gonna put it in half of my waterline, and then with the flat blending brush like this, I'm just gonna pick this plum shade and apply it close to my lower lash line. And yes, that's complete my today's eye makeup look. If it's good, then it's good. If it's not, then I can't do much because I'm feeling a little clumsy now. But anyway, it's time for mascara. So for mascara, I have two options right here. It's the Flatlash mascara and it's the no compromise mascara. Now it gives a lots of length to the lashes, while it gives again a little bit of length, a little bit of curling, and also a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna use both. Now that's how my eyes are looking after applying 2 coats of mascara. It looks pretty good, it looks pretty bomb, but you know guys, after all it's me, so obviously I'm gonna put some falsies, and yes, I'll be right back. Falsies are done now. It looks pretty flattering and pretty wispy. So anyway, let's move to the bronzing, contouring, blushing, and all of that jazz. Now I don't have any contour product or any bronzer from ORIFLAME. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this brown matte shade from the eyeshadow palette with an angular brush, and be careful, okay, because this color is hell dark. I'm just gonna, you know, like pick a very little on one go, because it can create a mess. It's added the shadow. Done. Now it's time for the blush, and for the blush I'm gonna use the ONE Illuskin blush. I love this product so freaking much. First of all, the color is so beautiful. It comes with a little tiny mirror, and yes, here's the product. Here is blush and here is highlighter, and it's gonna give you a very skin-like glow and nice flush to the cheeks. And it's another product that is like a must for me. But the sad part is this product is unavailable now. It's not available anymore. So yeah, you can't really find this same product, but you can find alternative blush from ORIFLAME, but I don't know how they're gonna work. So I'm just gonna swirl my brush all over the product, tap the excess, and gonna dab it on my cheeks. Now for the highlighter, I'm again gonna go with the highlighty shade just to amp up the highlighter a bit more, and it's gonna give you very subtle glow, not super chunky kind of glow. Finally, it's time for the lips, and for the lipstick I'm gonna use this Colourbox lipstick. It's in the shade Bright Coral. Now it's not a very pigmented lipstick, it's a very sheer coverage lipstick, okay? So I'm just gonna, you know, place it all over my lips like a tint. For the center of my lips, I'm gonna use this one. It's the ONE Lip Sensation Matte Lipstick. Now, dude, trust me, it's not matte. It's a liquid lipstick, so we're supposed to, you know, think that it's a, you know, bulletproof, sweat-proof, and everything proof matte, but it's kinda have, OMG, what's this? It's kinda have a satin kind of finish. It's not even on the matte side, okay? But anyway, I'm just gonna dot. Yes, like this. And yes, it completes my final finished look. So yes, my look is done, and that's what I've created with all the products using from ORIFLAME. Yes, it's one brand tutorial, and it was the first one brand tutorial of my channel. So if you like it, please let me know in the comments. Now let's just sum up the products and see what you can use, what can be a pass, and what you shouldn't use ever, like what you should stay away from. For me, the must-have have to be this one. It's the eyebrow gel, and this one is the blusher, but the blusher is unavailable, so sorry for that. But the color is so beautiful, finish is so beautiful, everything is just so beautiful about this blush. And again, this is the brow gel that I love, love, love. That's all what I will recommend you to go for. And what you shouldn't buy is have to be this one, this one, and I don't think there's anything. Okay, this one, because it's not matte. It's not matte. okay, and it's hell pricey again. And oh, you shouldn't go with this one either. Completely failed product. So yes, these are the hit and miss from ORIFLAME. So yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also let me know your thoughts on this particular look in the comments below. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such beautiful videos. I will see you in my next video. Still, and stay beautiful and keep spreading love.